Hey guys, today we'll be making 2 bubblegum slime. So the ingredients we need is borax, warm water, 1/4 teaspoon, glue, some to mix it in, some to mix with, some hand wash and some pink food colouring. So you can get this borax from Bunnings Warehouse for $11 and it's really good quality, so I would recommend buying this. And to activate the slime you'll need to put about 1/4 borax and the 1/4 thing and put it in the water, and we will need to mix very good until all of it's nice. So we'll just need to shift that over because we don't need this right now. So let's get on to making slime. So I'm going to just get the glue ready. Oh, the glue is from Kmart. You can get this for $2 and it's really good. Like, it's so good at make slime. So yeah. Just tip it in. So yeah, after you tip it in, you just need to get some of this and just pour as much pumps as you want. You can really get this from any local stores near you. This just makes it smell good and makes the color even more better. So after you add this in, you just need to mix all of what you put in constantly until all of it's firmly mixed in. See, as you can see, the color's even popping out just by adding this, but we haven't even added food coloring yet. So that's the main thing about it. So now I'm going to be adding this. You can get this from any local grocery stores, or Coles, Woolies, Aldi's, and you can get them for like 50 cents or $1, and they're actually really good. So we're just not going to add too much of this, otherwise we'll get more pink, and a lot pink. So just add it like that much. So we'll just tip that in, like maybe even less than that, because we don't want the color too dark. So once we've mixed this in, just mix it in firmly like we did with this hand wash until all of it can be seen. So just keep mixing and mixing until all of it's all done. So now the borax that we have done, the borax that we have explained in the thing, this is the time we need it. So just add a little bit at a time, because we don't want to activate it, over-activate it. So this needs, because we don't want to over-activate it. So once it's all done into slime, you will start seeing it's clumping up like mine, but it'll still be liquidy. So just keep mixing it and mixing it until then we'll need a little bit more borax. So as you can see, it still won't activate because we're just not over activating it. So that was enough, but we still need more. Every time it will start getting clumpier and clumpier. Because it's never good to rush your slimes, otherwise it won't turn out as good. So just keep doing. So basically you do this step constantly until it's formed into slime. So you can see that it's starting to form into slime. So just keep doing it. So just keep doing it and doing it. So now you just want to spread it all over the place, because if it's not activating after a lot of borax, that means that you're not putting it all over the place and some of the spots are missing out of borax. So you just want to keep mixing it until it looks like it's starting to form. See how it looks like it's starting to form a lot more? So that's when you want to try and go and knead with your hands. But you can just keep mixing it with your fork or whatever your mixing utensil you're using. You might just want to do it with that instead. But it's better to start kneading it. So it may look a little bit sticky at first. That's because it needs to be kneaded. So let's keep doing this. So if it isn't coming together when you knead, you can add more borax, or you can add any activator you know, but borax is probably the best option. So this part of the process, this part will get a little bit sticky and messy and all over the place, but that's just how it works. Okay, so I'm going to go and add a little bit more of my borax, just a little bit more into the corners. I'm going to just keep mixing it. See how it's coming together a lot more? There's still a lot more, but I'll need that after. When it turns out like this, that's how you know that you don't need to add any more borax, and that the rest of your slime, because you can't fit the whole lot in your hand, that the rest of the slime is going to activate, because, yeah. So we'll move this out of the way for now, and then we'll just have a little play with this. See, it makes the most amazing poking sounds. See, and it takes off. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you like and make the slime. Thank you. Bye.